Hey there YouTube, it's Elizabeth. Hello. Today's going to be an empties video, so these are all of the beauty related empties I've used up in the month of December. Hope everyone's having a great new year. Let's get started. I'm just going to do these in random order, but first let's start with all of these sampley things. I think that's all of them. Okay. Set this up. All right. The first one is this serum from number 7. It's the dark spot correcting serum. I did like this, and I was really interested in finding more about it because it's a drugstore brand. You can get it at Target, I know. And so I was looking at the ingredients, and let me see if I can make it focus here. If you can see this ethyl ascorbic acid, that's the vitamin C, and you can see it's right up there at the top of the ingredients, which is good. And so I went online to learn more about this, and the reviews on it were terrible. So that didn't make me too happy to see that. And it was expensive for a drugstore brand, so that kind of turned me off of it. But I think this brand goes on sale pretty often, so I might change my mind. But yeah, I did like using this. Okay, that was kind of long. Let's go a little bit faster. This is a primer from Tarte. It's called the Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This really just felt like a lightweight lotion to me. I used it now because it's winter and my skin is a little bit drier in the winter. But I don't know, it didn't really do much for me. But yep, used up that. This is a lotion and like serum combo product from Clinique. It's the Clinique ID. So you get the bottle, and then you get this cartridge, and you put it in the bottle, and you can use them together. So this sample was kind of neat. You have the serum part, and you can push it up and then mix it around in this part, which has the lotion, and then use it. It was fine. I don't really like this lotion from Clinique. I kind of like the jelly one, kind of, but this one I don't like too much. So, but yeah, I got this from my mom. Thanks, Mom. Used that up. Also got this from my mom. It's Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Serum, Intense Replenishing Hydration. I really liked the consistency of this. It felt nice, but it was way too fragranced for my liking. So there's that. And then this is, ooh, so shiny. This is a mask from Saturday Skin. It's a sheet mask. It comes with these little stickers, which they're cute, but I don't really put stickers on things, so I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Maybe just throw them away. I don't know. But I don't like sheet masks. They're wet and cold, and sometimes they drip down your face, and when you have them on, they, like, you can't do anything because you have to be laying down with your eyes closed, and you can't do anything while you have them on. But I did use this. It was fine. And then I noticed I was going to like rinse it out before I put it in my empties box, and there was all this really good serum still inside, so I used it over the next few days. Anyway, yep, used that. Okay, I used some cotton balls from Walmart. Jumbo cotton balls. Use these every day. Oh, this was an interesting item. I got this at TJ Maxx. It had 5 of these. Doesn't fit in my camera frame. I had 5 of these products inside of this box, and it's this 3-step process. It's 3 nose strips, basically. The first one is like witch hazel based, and you put it on your nose for like 15 minutes, and it's supposed to like soften up your blackheads. And then the second one is an actual pore strip like the ones from Biore, and it's supposed to pull out your blackheads. And then the third strip is supposed to like close your pores. I didn't like it. I was hopeful that it would work, but it really didn't. Like the whole 3-step process wasn't as good as one Biore pore strip. I will say the piggy noses is really cute. It's very cute the way it's packaged. But then also this whole process takes so long just for one nose strip. Here's the instructions. The first strip you have to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then second one 10 to 15 minutes, and third one 10 to 15 minutes. That's a long time for one pore strip, so I won't be getting these again. I don't think they worked, but I will say the concept with the little piggy noses is cute. I used up a bottle of Listerine. I didn't like, whoa, my cats are going crazy. I didn't like this one either. It has, what's that ingredient called? The ingredient that makes like soap foam up. Sodium lauryl sulfate. I think that's the one that makes soap foamy. Well, it has that in here, and so it makes this foamy. So it foams up in your mouth, and then after you spit it out, there's still all this like white foam in your mouth, and you're not supposed to rinse your mouth after using this. So I didn't like that it didn't rinse clean. That was kind of weird. So I won't be getting one with sodium lauryl sulfate in it again. Used up some eye makeup removing pads. I love these. I've used so many of these containers full of wipies. They're just circle pads in an oil-based makeup remover. They work so well. They're from Almay. What are they called? Eye makeup remover pads. There you go. I bought another one. I really like them. I wish this didn't peel off. That's kind of weird. But yeah, these are great. Okay, I used my favorite contact lens solution. This is the Walmart brand 3% hydrogen peroxide cleaning and disinfecting lens care system. It's the type that you put in the holder like this, leave it for at least 6 hours. It gets your lenses really clean. I've been using this for a few years, and I'm going to keep using it. This is bittersweet. This has been my favorite toner for a couple years now. I went through a little phase a couple years ago where I was looking for my favorite toner. I wanted something that was not alcohol-based, something that had salicylic acid in it, something that did not have fragrance in it, and yeah, something I could afford. So this one is from Tarte. It's the Knockout Tingling Treatment. It has 10% of a blend of salicylic and lactic acids. It's very strong, which I like. I want something that's actually going to work. But I love how it's packaged. It has this cute acrylic cap on there, and it's, purple and aqua font. I have found a new toner from Boscia, and it has a 20% acid complex, and it's less expensive. So Tarte, you've done me good, but it's time to move on. I used up this jojoba oil. I got this from a hippie store in Santa Cruz, California that sells all those like deodorants without antiperspirant in it, and like toothpaste without fluoride in it, and oils and herbs and chakras and things. So, but I was looking for an oil to use in my hair. And so I got this and bought it several years ago and pulled it out again. And I only had about half an inch left. So I used it in the ends of my hair every night, and then I would wash my hair in the morning. I do like using this in my hair. I have some other hair, they're not actual oils, but hair oil things. And once I use those up, I would buy this again or something like it. Yep. Hippie store. I used up this face cleanser from Philosophy. It's the oil-free salicylic acid acne treatment cleanser. Sorry, my dog is over here sniffing around. Oh, big stretch, Chico. He's interested. I did like this. It lasted a long time. It's just a travel size, but it lasted a long time. It's a gel, and I like how it makes my skin feel. It does have a fairly strong fragrance, which smells nice, but I don't like fragrance items on my face in general. This didn't seem to bother me. I probably wouldn't buy this because it's not in my, I guess it's not my absolute favorite cleanser, but I did enjoy it. Let's see, we have, another cleanser from La Roche-Posay, Toleraine, I don't know what that is. Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This was gentle, but it wasn't all that hydrating. So yeah, that's a pass for me. Oh, let's talk about these. So I received one of these as a sample, and then I received another one as a sample, and I kept the box because there's something interesting I want to talk about. Interesting to me anyway. But yeah, it's this little serum, and they're so stinking cute. It's from I Do Care Bright Side Up Brightening Vitamin C Serum. And it's the vitamin C part that I want to kind of make a fuss about, because if you look at the ingredients, and again, I'll see if this can focus, kind of. Vitamin C is right there, ascorbic acid. Look how low down on the list that is. That's just like, why would you call it a vitamin C serum if your vitamin C is like at the bottom, like 5th of the ingredients list? I think that's maybe false marketing, false advertising. I mean, I don't know what the rules are on that, but yeah, I didn't like that. It says vitamin C, but it's not really vitamin C serum because it's way down on the list, and it doesn't really matter. Love the packaging, don't like the vitamin C aspect, and I didn't like the texture of the serum itself. It was pretty thick, and it didn't want to sink into the skin. It just sat on top and didn't really dry down for a long time. But yeah, so I didn't enjoy that overall. Okay, here's another serum. This one is from number 7. It's the Line Correcting Booster Serum. What was that other thing from number 7? No, different one. Dark Spot Correcting, Line Correcting. This is okay. Again, a little bit too thick for my liking. Takes a long time for it to dry down. I finished up this little moisturizer from Ole Henriksen. It's the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, or maybe it's pronounced Crush. Very, very fragranced, so I didn't like that too much. Yep, I got this free at Sephora for buying a lot of stuff. This is the Primera Creme. Let's see, where is it in English? Alpine Berry Water Cream. Things that say water, I feel like they're going to be a lightweight texture, but then this is water cream, and so it was really thick. So I was expecting it to be nice and thin and lightweight, but it wasn't. And it also had a really strong scent to it. Yeah, really, really strong scent. So I didn't really like that. This moisturizer is from Kiehl's. It's their Ultra Facial Cream. This is a really nice cream. It just has the right texture. However, I don't have super dry skin, so I wouldn't buy this for me, but I do appreciate it. A couple more things here. This is a fragrance from Wet n Wild, perfume roller. I think that's it. It has these little like rose quartz things in it, even though they're just pieces of glass. But I really liked like these floating around in with the fragrance. I really liked how it looked, and I really like how it sounds. I got it at Walmart. I saw it there, and I went, oh, I want that, even though I don't need more perfumes. But I shook it, and I loved the sound that it made. The scent was nice. It was really, really lightweight. Good for little girls, someone not my age, but I liked it. We have something from Philosophy. It's the Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. This is the most lightweight eye gel or eye cream, eye moisturizer I've ever used, and it's actually too lightweight for me. I know I was saying like, what was the other one? Like this. No, which one was it? Anyway, I know I was saying I like things that are lightweight, but this was just too lightweight. But again, I do appreciate it that it was really lightweight for people who do want that. And I have one more item, an actual makeup item. This is the Too Faced Brow Quickie. And I don't know if I've used this up or if it's dried out or what, but it looks disgusting. So all that's left in here are like the fibers. When you fill in your brows with this, it's supposed to leave behind fibers, but that never actually happened. All it did was just kind of coat the hairs, and I think all the fibers are down there at the bottom, and all the like the liquid stuff I've used up. I realized I don't really like these mascara-y brow products. It just doesn't put on enough color for me. I have to use a pencil to really get color on there and to define my eyebrows. But I will have to say this matched my brows perfectly. So most taupe colored eyebrow things are way too red, but this was good. So the fiber thing was a fail, but the color was a match. Anyway, I think that is all. That's all of my empties. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you later.